Hola, this is your teacher for session 2 at Continuing Education. I'm going to run through how to do the first lesson. So let's get started. You want to type in HWDSB, and then you'll want to go to the main login, click on student, and then these are your options. There's your email, your hub, there's Teams. Those are the ones you'll really use a lot. The hub is where you're going to find your lessons. One other thing, this waffle is where you can find all the apps. So Word is what I would use to do your work. You're going to click on the waffle, type in your password and all that good stuff. If you have any issues, just send me an email. Find your course. You're probably going to have 2. Just select the first one. Then all your stuff is going to be in content. Might look a little bit different than mine. And you're going to go to the lessons and you're going to click on the first one. It's going to look like this. What I would do is either download it or make it bigger. And then you can also click this zoom in thing, make it a little bit bigger. There's me, there's my son James, who's 5, Alex 3, he's sick today. And there's my wife Lori. I'm not going to tell you her age. And then a little bit about me. That's what I like to do. This is how you're going to be successful. Start on Monday. There's 20 lessons. Try to do a lesson each day. If you can't, do a half a lesson. If you can't, catch up on the weekends or the catch-up days. You can click here, click the content for the lessons, assignments, blah, 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 blah. You can reach me on email and Teams. Watch these videos if you've never watched them before. If you've already watched them, they're a good reviewer. This is the lesson for number 1, what makes you scared. Found a cool video. It's about something that's really scary. There's many things that make us scared. Read through this. What makes you scared? Ask yourself. Then you're going to tell me. So you're going to send it up in the MLA format with my name. Your name, my name, class name, the date, and the lesson in the middle. And done with a paragraph, and then you can begin. Now, cool thing about this is if you download it, you will see that there are text boxes here. Okay, these comment boxes. This will tell you what I'm actually doing. So each part of my writing. So the first sentence is called the hook sentence. It's a sentence with a fact, quote, or interesting story. So according to the Washington Post, Americans' most common fears are public speaking, heights, and bugs. So that's a fact. And I've also referenced it right here, so you can actually click on the article if you don't believe me. I've been scared of all these things at some point in my life, but my greatest fears are my not caring well enough for my children, climate change, and getting old. What's this? You click on it. This is my thesis sentence, okay? So it's telling you what all this stuff is. Then I give you some details. Then I give you my first controlling idea, which is dad issue, not being a good enough dad. There's some supporting details. And what's this part? My second fear. Oh, that's the second controlling idea, climate change. And the supporting details for number 2. Then down here is my controlling idea number 3, my last controlling idea. And then supporting details, and then right near the bottom is my conclusion. I restate the thesis in different words. Not done yet. Include a final thought, end with a fact, something funny, prediction, and your thesis. So, yeah, you can hopefully I've gone over it decently enough. Maybe just to go over it just a little bit more, you can see this is the way that I would like your paragraph to look, your page to be set up. Basically tell me what you're scared of, or what I did, 3 things, and then tell me a detail about each of those 3 things. This is all about my first one, and this is so my first one, the details, my second one, the details, my last one, and the details. Then I remind the reader of all of my fears and one final thought. Hope you enjoyed this little introduction. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm really excited for this session and your success. Take care. Bye-bye.